In this video, I'm going to show you the easy way to change the headlights in this 2014 GMC Terrain. We're going to open up the hood, change the headlights from the top side and the driver's side first. So after you open the hood, you'll see 3 black pop fasteners. All you have to do is remove those. If you have a tool, they'll easily pop off, or you can use a flat blade screwdriver to pop these up and remove them. This one down in here, I used a flat blade screwdriver just to pop it up. And then you'll see that there's still a fastener in there. Go ahead and remove that. And now this is designed to lift up, and there's an actual cut right here with a little bend line to flip over like that. So this is the actual way that GM manufactured how you're supposed to change your headlights. 2 7mm screws. Go ahead and put your socket ratchet on these 2 screws and remove those. This metal bracket right here, you have a 10mm screw here, 1 here. Take those 2 out. Make sure you hang on to this bracket so it doesn't drop. And now simply grab a hold of your headlight. You can pull it ahead a little bit. That'll give you about another inch of clearance. And as you can see, right there is the low beam cap. We're going to go ahead and remove that cap. That's going to expose the headlight. Now you have plenty of room to get your hand down in here. Off, you just turn it counterclockwise. That comes off, and then you'll see the headlight. You just turn that housing right here counterclockwise as well. It will pull out, and there's about 4 inches of wiring, so you can pull it up a little bit. And now we can go ahead and put the new bulb in. There's a little tab right there. You just lift that up a little bit and pull straight apart. Now here's the new bulbs I'm putting in. It's a Phillips H11. Now this is the point where you want to put on latex gloves when handling your new bulbs. New bulb clipped into the wire harness. I've got it turned and locked into place. Now we just need to install the dust cap. Thing out the light, this is the driver's side that we just did. So let's compare it to the factory passenger side. And there's the factory passenger side, and I can tell you the driver's side that we just replaced is much brighter. I completely reassembled. You go ahead and put this bracket on, install the 2 10mm screws. I put all these 7mm screws back in place. Now I just need to flip this over and install the pop fasteners. Two other ways to change these headlights. At some point in the model year, they put in an access panel behind the wheel wells. You'll turn those, and that will give you enough room to reach inside. That's probably the best way. The engineers finally did something right. Now there's also another way where you can turn the wheel to the center of the vehicle, and then you can take the pop fasteners and 2 screws out and go in through behind the fender well. And that's all there is to it, guys. You go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. It should probably take you about 5-6 minutes to complete this job if you've never done it before. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.